Ilog, ang ginagawa nyo ay tama dahil nakita natin nag-improve yung mga pre-test and post-test scores at I'm very happy to hear also na ang goal ngayon is to add the other municipalities in the system. So ako naman I am here to learn about this devolution concept. Yun na nga, marami pa akong tanong at para ma-process namin kung kaya namin i-scale up to, or kaya namin, o part ng recommendation namin in EDCO is to scale it up nationwide with the proof of concept of Iloilo. Kasi in the whole 80 ilang provinces na ba tayo? 82 provinces, Iloilo lang talaga ang may ganito eh. No? This devolution is unique to Iloilo province. And the embrace of education is really unique also in Iloilo province. I've gone to all the provinces in the Philippines. This is the only province where it fully embraced education as part of their mandate, and also making themselves accountable to education. Importante ang accountability. No? Kasi diba, since kung hindi clear ang accountability, walang gagalaw. So importante my accountability. So with that, thank you very much for the presentation. I hope meron tayong Q&A. No, I hope meron tayong Q&A so we can expound some questions and learn from the experience of Iloilo province. So, maraming salamat po.